be showing you guys how I created my intro, the one you saw playing at the beginning of this video. All right, so without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So you guys see I'm here on my home page of Canva. So when you first go into Canva, you're going to, and actually, by the way, Canva is free and they do have a paid version, but I'm still using the free version, which is very, very, very good. So if you guys don't have Canva, you really need to check it out. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to create a design. Then I'm going to go to YouTube thumbnail. I'm going to use that 1280 by 720 pixels. Okay, so we're not going to use any of these templates. So what we're going to do is, for this first page, we want to make that the page like this. Let me see. You want this page here. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do that on the first page. Okay. So let's go to the element tabs and we're going to go all the way down here to where you see stickers. We're going to click on see all. So we're going to hit stars because that's what we want. Oops. I think my computer is really tired today. I've been on all day. Let's see. I believe this is the one that I got. Okay. I know. Don't worry, you can't see it. And then we're going to click on the other one and we're going to move it right here. Now let's go ahead and make the background. Let's do the purple one. Okay, we're going to leave this like that, okay? And we're going to go to text. And the first one, let me see, what was the first one? Makeup, lifestyle, and review. We need 3 of them. Makeup, lifestyle, and review. So let's go here, highlight it. Go ahead, makeup. Lifestyle. And reviews. Okay. So let's go ahead and make these even. Okay. That one is going to go there, there, and then there. We want to change the color from black to white. Okay, now these stars, we're going to take them and spread them out all the way to the end on both of them. Okay. All right, so that's what the first one's going to look like, the first page. And if you want to put more things in there, you can. If you want these to be different colors or whatever, you can. You can do that. So what we're going to do is add the second page. So we're going to go up here to the far right, and we're going to hit that plus sign. It's going to give us this second page. Okay, so the second page is going to be your logo or whatever you may want it to be. Whatever you might want it to be. So it's going to go here. All right, so let's just find Let's just get one of my photos. Let's see if I still have that one that I did. Okay, let's go ahead and put this photo. Actually, I think that is the photo that I have on there. Let's see. Yep, it is. Okay, so we're gonna get a photo, put it here, and let's go back to the elements, and we want to find this circle here. So let's type in circles. And see what we could find. Okay, let's go here. We're gonna make this a little smaller. Right there. Let's bring that down some. About right there. We're gonna go up here to position, and we want it to go backwards. We want this to be just like that. Let's make it a little bigger. Perfect. Okay. If you want it to go on the inside of the circle, you can do that as well, like that. But I want it to stay just like this, just for the purpose of the video. All right. Now that we got this the way we want it, let's go ahead and put the name up under there. We're going to go with this. We're going to type in my name. And then the font, let's see. The font I have on there is Yellowtail, or you can put any font you want. We could put this one. Okay, put it here, and then we want to make it a little bit bigger. Let's go to 42. Okay. Okay, and I want to change that font to a white color. Okay, there we go. And I kind of want to bring it, let's see, up. Make the name just a little bit bigger. And if you don't want that color and you want it to kind of like coordinate with this halo, all you have to do is go back to this little ball here. And let's see. That is more like a, oops, let's go back. No, it's more like an orangey color there. And if you want your name to be a little bit bigger, you could also put it that way. Let's do it like that. Now let's keep it white. That orange is kind of like blended into the thing. So we're just going to keep that white. Okay. So now that we have that done, and here you go, right here. We're done with this page. Go up here to the far right, hit the plus sign. We're going down to the third page. And the third page is your social media icon. Okay, so let's go back. We're going to go into the elements. And we're going to hit Instagram. You could get whichever one you want. So we want this one, is free. However whatever size you want it, you can do whatever you like to do right here. So Instagram, Twitter, we want this to be about right there. Okay. And then you want, who else do I got? Facebook. Alrighty. Okay. Go back to the text tab. And we want to put Instagram. And then we want your name.com. And we're gonna make that. Let's go with 28. No, we want this to go all the way down to about, right there is good. Twitter, go back, grab that. /yourname.com. And we're gonna make this short. We're gonna put that right here. I'm gonna adjust this. Okay. Then Facebook gonna do the same. Facebook, yourname.com. Okay, so now what we need to do is just go up here and kind of like edit some of this to make them all fit in perfect. Make that a little smaller. Make this. What is this one? That one is 20.7. We need to make this one 20.7. 20.8 is not too bad. Okay, and we're gonna bring this over. We're gonna take this one and bring it 20.7. Let's move this up and we're gonna move this over. About right there. Go over some more. Okay, that looks good. Yes. All right, so we're done with the third page. And this is what mine's look like. You just have to put the @Instagram or whatnot up in here. You guys get it. Let's make this just a little more even here. Move this over here. About right there. Okay, that looks good. So let's go with the next page, which is going to be page 4. Hit the plus sign. So let's see what page 4 is here. It's the loading symbol, okay? Or icon, whatever you want to call it. Let's go back up to Elements. Let's click out of this and go back into Stickers. And then we're going to put Loading. Let's see if it'll come up. There we go. And you know, you guys just might have to take some time out to explore Canva. They got a lot of cool stuff up in here. They even have like this little wine glass or whatnot. They just got a lot of stuff. If you want to put the little balls on there, you can. But we're going to stick with loading. Okay. And so here you go. Now, once you get everything how you want it, you're going to go up here to download the MP4 video. You're going to keep it that way. Okay. Now, right here where it says select pages, you want to download each video separate. We're going to do the first one. Done. Download. Come on. And we're going to save it onto my desktop, and we're going to do the same with the other ones. We're going to do 2. Done. Download. Three. Done. And download. And then 4. Download. And the reason why I do it that way, because you can adjust each video individually instead of having to go into your edit, your like Final Cut and do all of that. You could just do it right here. And I'll show you. So let me get out of this. I already got Final Cut up. So we're going to upload those 4 videos that I just created. And while we're in here, we're just going to grab some music. Let's see. Let's grab anything. Let's try this one. Okay, we're going to import that one. And then we also want to go to, told you my computer is just got a mind of its own. Let's go to intro. And I want to find, not that one. I mean, you can use that one if you want to, but I want this one. Okay. Now, we're going to take them, drag them down. It's high up. You could go this way, you could go the long ways. Always go this way, the fastest way. Okay, now we got them in here. So let's just go in and adjust the length. So let's see. That one is 5.14 seconds. So I want each one of my clips to be let's go with 3 seconds or 3.01 on each clip. Okay, and this one. Okay, that one is 3.03. That one is fine. So now we're just going to grab this subscribe button. We're going to put it on top. Let's go over here to let's see, key in, grab this. Okay, we're going to go up here, transform, I'm gonna make it smaller. Okay, but we don't want it to be there, so I'm going to show you where we want this, right here. So you have to move your little cursor or whatever you call this little hand to the whichever clip you want this subscribe button to be on. Okay. Oops, didn't want to do that. Why did I do that? We want that one. Okay, and we want this to be big. About right there. Cut that just a little bit. Perfect. Right there. Okay. And we want this to be right there. Let's lock that in. So let's see where this is at. Nope, we don't want that there. So we need to pull it over some. Okay. And okay, that's going out too slow. We're gonna bring that in some. We want this to start about right there. It's still going out too slow. Bring it in some. Perfect. Okay, so let's go back on that clip. And I want to make this just a little bit bigger. About right there. Okay. Now let's take a look at it and see what happens. There we got that. You can make your name, move or however you want. Perfect. Okay, now let's put some music to this, baby. All right. Let me see. Okay. Okay, I want that to start right there. Then I'm going to take it and move it down. Trim it about right there. Make sure it's even on there. Then we want it to fade out. Let's test it out. And if you want more stuff up in there, you can. Let's turn it down a little bit because I want to be able to hear this. Let's see. Okay, perfect. And there you have it. That is how I made my current intro. If you guys like these type of videos, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe on your way out. And as always, I love you guys, and I shall see you in my next video. Bye, guys.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.